A team inbox in Statusbrew helps you organize conversations by social channels, topics, languages, or in any way you want. You decide what goes into it and who can access it. In this video, you'll see how some Statusbrew customers use team inboxes, which will give you ideas for your own business. Let's start with an e-commerce business that uses topic-based inboxes to sort different types of queries. They've set up separate inboxes for pricing, shipping, and refund queries. Keyword-based rules send conversations to the right inbox, making sure the right team handles them. They've also set up an escalations inbox for urgent or complex queries. Team members add context to a query via internal notes and move conversations to the inbox. The support manager gets notified and chimes in where necessary. Statusbrew reports show conversation volume by team inbox, giving your team insights into volume, sentiment, and response trend. Next, we have a global fintech company with customers across different regions. They manage multiple profiles and get daily support queries in various languages. To handle this, they've set up language-based team inboxes, ensuring customers get support in their own language. Conversation access in their team is given only through these inboxes, which means team members see conversations only in their own inbox and nothing else outside of it. This way, the Spanish team only handles Spanish queries and isn't distracted by others. The team has also created their own language-based macros for common queries and frequently asked questions. Next, we have a board games company known for their puzzle games with hidden Easter eggs. Customers love sharing these finds on social media, tagging the brand in stories and reels. The team has set up an inbox just for UGC content, giving the marketing team easy access to connect with customers, request sharing rights, and repost directly from Statusbrew. The Engage inbox is their primary CRM tool, so they use the custom fields feature to sort conversations in different inboxes by contact type and products. This helps them focus on the right conversations and see which products get the most interest. These were just a few examples of how our customers set up team inboxes, but there are limitless ways you can set these up. I recommend taking a moment here to understand the type of conversations you get every day and how team inboxes can work best for you. If you have ideas about how you'd like to set up yours but don't know how to, start a live chat with our customer success team, and we can help you with the setup right away.